This is me, Jimmy James. I cannot not do funny voice anymore. This is how to clean outside of car easy way. Because like you have car, it is dirty, and you don't want to put 6 hours into the wax and the cut and polish and all of the bullshit. So I show you. You want to go to Bunnings and buy yourself the cheapest pressure cleaner they have. It was very cheap. And of course you need to purchase a car and get it dirty. Yes, see? Very dirty. Yes, I park near someone mowing. You pressure clean off all the debris. So when you do the cleaning, you don't have to touch any bird shit or bat shit or tree shit. That is otherwise known as sap. Yeah. Now you may do this part and then almost not want to do the rest. Don't listen to yourself. Do the rest. So yes, we will fast forward with the bring. Oh yes, remember the wheels. Now forward. Okay. Yes. Now you have your car pressure cleaned off all the major debris. You're going to get yourself a wash bucket and fill with soap, I show. Yeah, we have the wash. We have the assortment of other stuff. Okay. We have the sponge. We get the soap, we open the soap, we put the soap in, yes, lot of soap, very good, very good. Get the lid, always put the lid back on the soap. Okay, now we get the pressure cleaner, we take off the end so there's no pressure. And now the pressure cleaner is a hose, see? There's a hose. Hopefully do not break it sounds very hurting. Okay, I come back soon. Very easy. You get the sponge out of the bucket and then you go top down. Very easy, yes. Find the scrubby bits, yeah, switch the camera. See? Whoop, pop. And then yeah, just scrub him off. And this is, you're nearly done. Nearly done. See, you see a little thing like that, you know, see, I see, and you scrub him off. Yes. My paint is just a rattle can, so maybe not scrub too hard if you have also a rattle can paint. Otherwise, go for your heart's content. Yes, always do the top down method. So, pardon me. I've drunk for many days now. Ah! Oh no, it fell off. I fix later. Well, I fix now really quick. I fixed it. Okay, yes. Now I do the fast forward again. Holy shit, it dry on my car. Okay, no fast forward. When it is hot as fuck today, fuck you, Mr. Sun. You may want to do a panel wires pressure crane, do panel pressure crane. Okay, fast forwarding now. next one to do is completely optional, and the level of how much you do this option is also how much you care about your wheels. Now see, these are wheels in here, very dirty. I never clean, fuck that, too much effort. I just clean the rim, that's the face of the rim that you see. So up there, you always go in the gap, 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 in the gap. Yeah, clean the hose, clean the face. Yes, ×4. Go. Soaped up your wheels, pressure clean off, and then do a final pressure clean of the car. And because of how hot today is, you do not have to do. It is not easy part, but I recommend you shami your vehicle off. The shamming will stop all the streaky lines. I'm going to have a lot of them. Fucking Toowoomba water full of chlorine and fluoride. Mate, let's check it out. Chamois, make sure it's a little bit damp, and then and that will get rid of all the streaky lines and leave nice clean rook. Holy fuck, the sun dries so fast. Okay. In the easiest possible way. In hot Australian sun, no streak. Does not help that the car look like shit anyway. Oh, clean. Oh, they do make me smile. Very clean. Now here it is, how to clean your car. Take you like half of an hour. You do not need to spend hours like the professionals do cleaning one fucking car, for fuck's sake. Enjoy. I'm your host, Jimmy James, with how to clean your car the easy way. Like and subscribe, comment for what you do and don't like. If you say the voice is racist, well fuck you.